Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my IPSY Glam bag for the month of August. Yes, I have already unboxed my IPSY Glam bag plus, so if you want to see that, I'll have it linked below. But I am super excited to get into this one. I feel like every month I'm getting more and more excited about the items in my bag, especially since, you know, you can like rate the items, rate the brands, things like that, and they get a little bit better. I think it's working for me. So first I have on this really cute shirt that I found for $8, and it's got like little cuffed sleeves, just a t-shirt, and it's got ramen and it says ramen. Ever since I was in New York and went to the cutest little ramen place, I'm like, oh, I need ramen. But I thought this was really cute, and you know, I love like cute fun t-shirts. So yeah, enough about that. Let's go ahead and dive into it. If you're not familiar, it's $10 a month. I think everybody is probably really familiar, especially if you're clicking on this video. But I do want to quickly say thank you so much for clicking on this video, giving my channel a chance, you know, just giving me a little bit of love. I really appreciate it. I do have a giveaway going on right now. It is in my last vlog, which is actually the previous video before this one, so be sure to check it out. I've got a ton of fun videos, so make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, and if you do like unboxings and unbaggings, leave me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So let's get into it. So I did do 2 add-ons this time. I know I think in my previous video of my Glam Bag Plus, people ask me, why don't you take advantage? And I usually do. Sometimes I'll get add-ons for both and sometimes just for one. I think one month I just entirely skipped over it. I just wasn't really intrigued, but I did add 2 items, so I'll show you those first. So the first add-on is from Incredible, and this is the Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. So here is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully there will be a little bit of focus. And this is one of the little jelly lips. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but it does have like a little flower in it, really pretty. And I believe this one has like gold flecks in it too. But with these, they kind of like adjust to your natural lip color, which I really like, especially on like no makeup days when you want just a little something on the lips. These are kind of perfect. They have like a balm consistency, and you have like this flush of pink in your lips. I should also mention too that I put my makeup on like 15 hours ago, so if I look like crap, that is completely why. I think my makeup on my chin is gone. I think I like touched my forehead. I don't know. It's a mess, but at any rate, I added this one on for $3, so not a bad little deal, and it just gives a little bit of pink in the lips, and I really like them. They're a consistency that's just like a smooth, light balm, not heavy, not sticky. Alright, the other add-on I did was again for $3, and this is a Pixie blush. They even had like a little Pixie sticker on the bubble wrap, really cute. This is the Fresh Face Blush in Whisper Pink, so that's what the color looks like. Looks like a little bit more than a whisper. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's really nice. It's a pink, but it's very soft, not like overbearing. I actually like this. It's just like a light, soft, pinky rose color, and yeah, I think that will look really nice. It looks like it has just the tiniest bit of a sheen, but it looks more of like a satin finish. It doesn't look like shimmery or glittery or anything, which I really like. I don't necessarily like matte blushes. They honestly work for me just fine, but I like for them to have like a satiny or sheen to them. That's just my personal preference. So really excited. I think that's a great one for $3. All right, so everything else is in our little bag. This is my bag here. It matches my nails because I've already kind of taken a peek and used one of the items. I did that in, was it my IPSY Glam Bag Plus too, that had a nail polish? I'm not usually all about nail polishes, but here lately I've just been painting my nails a lot and changing up the color. So I really like this one. I'll definitely show you more detail, but this has got like a faux leather kind of pyramid detail on it. Really cute, and just like a faux leather little pull. So this is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails ink. So this is the color I do have on my nails right now. So this one's called Weekend Superpowers, and I like this a lot again because it's like a deep mossy pink. It's not quite hunter. It's got like a little something to it because it's not overly warm of green. It actually pulls like this very subtle hint of blue in it, which gives like that mossy type of feel, and it does go really well with the bag. So I think this is really cute. It went on beautifully. This is one coat and then a layer of top coat, so it looks really good. I'm impressed with this nail polish. I have tried some nails ink in the past, but not a lot, so I'm kind of happy to have this in my collection. I especially will like this for fall. I don't always want to wear just like red, but it's a nice like muted darker green, so I think it's a good fall color and even into winter too. So I have a Luxie brush, really exciting. I always am happy with these brushes. Oh, Wow. So this is the 237 blending brush. There's a lot of movement in this one, so I think this one's going to be great for really getting in like the outer little blend here. So this one's not densely packed, so it's going to be great for really buffing and blending and really moving that last bit of shadow that you need to blend in. So I think this is going to be a really nice brush. I will say most of my blender brushes are more dense than this, so it's kind of nice to have one that's got a little bit more movement to it. So this again is going to be great for really blending out the edges, especially when I kind of like pull my shadow out a little bit more and I need to do a little extra blending. So I think this is going to be great. Just leave it clean and just use it as like a final touch blend. So again, the 237 blending brush. I also love this like periwinkle blue color. It's really pretty. So next I have something from Shiro Science. I've never heard of this brand. It's the 2-in-1 Pore Purifying Cleansing Gel. So here's what it looks like. It says it's formulated with salicylic acid to fight breakouts, help exfoliate and minimize the appearance of pores. Use it to remove every trace of dirt, makeup, and excess oils without stripping the skin of moisture. Okay. I typically wouldn't use like a salicylic acid cleanser as a makeup removal step, but I mean, I'm sure it's fine as long as the other ingredients really break down the makeup. I always personally do a double cleanse. That's just my preference. I feel like my pores definitely get a little bit more clogged if I don't do a double cleanse, so I just like to make sure my makeup is like 100% removed before really cleansing. Smells nice. It has like a little like fresh scent to it. I am excited to give this a try, especially during the time of the month where my skin starts to break out a little bit more, so this might be great for that. So definitely we'll have to give this a try really soon. This is from IT Cosmetics, the Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I'm pretty sure I did receive this in gratis maybe, but I haven't tried it because it's a very lightweight moisture. So here is what the little tube looks like. This is a really small size too. Not that there's anything wrong with getting a sample, but you know, this would be enough just to try a few times and see how your skin starts to react to it. For me personally, being someone who is drier, I would have to pair this up with something else. Maybe put this on and then go in with an oil, or put this on and then go in with like an overnight sleeping mask, something like that. But if you are oily, definitely look into this one. It's extremely light on the skin. It's not oily or greasy or heavy, so really good for oily skin, of course oil free. Okay, we have one more thing, and probably the thing I am most excited about. This is an eyeshadow from Suva Beauty. I really love their hydro liners. Of course a lot of people are obsessed with those, but they really are beautiful liners, and I love that they're like water activated, so that way it's not like a cream eyeliner that's going to dry out. Like, you have to activate it, so I imagine they'll have like a really nice long shelf life. So I got the shade Coriander. So here's the packaging, just like a simple little sleek, and then we have the shade here. Ooh, this feels very creamy. So a very light shade. So it's a really light golden shade. I feel like this would be good just if you were doing something quick. You could throw like a really good brown into the crease and blend it out. And then you could pack this onto the lid. Yeah, really pretty color. The formula feels amazing. Unfortunately, it's just like, it's not one that shows up a lot on me personally because it's relatively close to like the depth of my skin tone. But the formula feels super nice. So just a little recap. We got our 2-in-1 cleansing gel, we got the Luxie brush, we got the Nails Ink polish, and then we got the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel lotion, and then last but not least, of course, our Suva eyeshadow. So a good little assortment. I like that I got like a little bit of everything. It's a really good mixed bag. And speaking of bags, you also get this bag right here, which I actually like this bag. I'm a huge fan of darker greens, so this bag is like right up my alley. So that is my little IPSY for the month of August. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Be sure, if you haven't seen it already, I will have a link below, my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of August, so you can check that out too. And also tomorrow I will be uploading my Allure beauty box for the month of August. I got both of these on the same day, and I went with my IPSY first just because I know you guys love to see it. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go check out my vlog and enter my giveaway. And of course, make sure to subscribe, and again, leave me a big thumbs up if you like it, and I appreciate you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.